Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, friends, I will show you and tell you how to easily set different wallpapers on the lock screen and home screen for iPhone. Don't forget, friends, to put likes to this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also write your comments. So, let's get down to our topic. In order for you to be able to connect or set a different wallpaper for your home screen lock screen, you will need to open Settings. Now, scroll down a little bit and find the section called Wallpaper. Here, friends, you can edit the wallpapers that you already have, or you can create new ones. Let's you and I create a new wallpaper. To do that, scroll to the bottom, find the gray wallpaper and click on the plus sign. Now you can choose any wallpaper, for example, from those offered by the iPhone itself. As you can see, there are many different themes here. Or you can choose the Photos section and choose a photo from the ones that you have. And in order to set that photo as your wallpaper, you have to wait for the wallpaper to load, and this is the result. Now, at the top, click on the right side of the screen. And you can select Change Home Screen. And see here you can also go to the Photos section at the bottom and choose a different photo for your home screen wallpaper. Let's choose this one. Now at the top, click Ready. Once again done. And as you can see, now you have a wallpaper with different photos on the lock screen and home screen. If you want to edit the wallpaper that you have, let's say already created, ready. Then, friends, you just need to click Edit on the home screen or on the lock screen at the bottom. And then you go to the Photos section and select any photo from the gallery and just install it. This is how you can easily set completely different wallpapers on your lock screen and home screen. I hope this video was helpful to you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write your comments. Take care, friends.